Here I have OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. Firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. So here in this menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, or you can just use touch screen. So first you have to select language. I'll prefer English. Here you have such options as online update, format data, reboot device and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.